Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to explain you the LinkedIn ad placements. Basically, this video is going to conclude all the placement confusion which you might have in your mind, like where LinkedIn shows the ads, or what are the placements, or what are the exact places where LinkedIn shows ads. So let's just do one thing. Let's directly jump into my LinkedIn account and find out those placements and how those ads looks like on those placements. So guys, before proceeding further, let me tell you one more thing, that when we create a campaign in LinkedIn's campaign manager account, basically when we create a campaign, ad campaign on LinkedIn, we have two options over here. Let me scroll a little bit down here, and in the placement option, all the marketers have these two options. The first option that they have is they want to show, or they want to place ads on the LinkedIn platform itself. And the second option, this is basically the LinkedIn website and the application. And the second option is LinkedIn's audience network, like Google's audience network and Facebook's audience network. LinkedIn also has an audience network where advertisers can place their ads on the third party publishers or the third party websites where LinkedIn audience engages, right? So this option is totally optional. So all the marketers, all the LinkedIn marketers who advertise on LinkedIn have this option as well. So now the placements which we are going to talk about is only for the LinkedIn platform. We are not going to talk about the audience network, right? So where LinkedIn shows the ad, or what are the places where LinkedIn have ad slots, we are going to conclude this in this particular video. Right now, I have opened one LinkedIn support page where LinkedIn's team have concluded that which type of ad placements they have on the LinkedIn platform. So mainly they have four types of ad placements. The first one is text ad. The second one is sponsored content, which are like these: single ad, carousel, video, single job, event ad, and document. Then after this, let me close it. Yeah, after this they have sponsored messages, which we see in the directly in the inbox itself. And then we have dynamic ads. So four types of ad placements we have on the LinkedIn platform. Now let's understand where this text ads appears in the LinkedIn platform. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my LinkedIn profile, and now right now I'm not able to see the text ad which generally shows in this part of my screen. But right now we don't have that because it is totally dynamic. Whenever LinkedIn wants to show you ad, it will show you. But if I show you the example, text ads placement, oops, sorry for the mistake, let me type it, text ads LinkedIn placement, or directly example, right? If I click on images and if I show you this example, you will get a better idea that where the text ad looks like, right? So this is how you can see the LinkedIn. This is the left hand side, this is the center, where this is basically the feed where all the content gets posted, and this is how the text ad looks like with a small image, and majorly you'll be able to see the headline and the text, right? So this is how the text ads looks like. After this, we do have sponsored content, and in sponsored content we do have many things like single image, carousel, video, single job ad, event ad, and document ad. So generally sponsored contents, tons of sponsored contents you'll be able to see in the feed section of your LinkedIn account, right? So this is my LinkedIn feed. If I scroll a little bit down, here I can see one sponsored ad directly from the LinkedIn, right? And here you'll be able to see the promoted badge over here, right, just below the company's name. Right now let's scroll a little bit more, and most probably I'll be able to see one more ad over here, again from LinkedIn. Okay, and here it is also showing B2 bold ad formats. Okay, all right, now I'm scrolling a little bit more, and here from trade desk, the trade desk is showing one more sponsored content or sponsored ad, and it is also promoted, as you can see, right? So this is how the sponsored ad looks like, or sponsored content looks like. Then we do have sponsored messaging. So in sponsored messaging, if I show you some sponsored messages, This is how the sponsored messages looks like, right? This is from Astha Malhotra and this shows sponsored. If I click on this, uh, this is a bit customized, like my name, this message has my name and then the content which she want to convey me, right? The message she want to convey me. Now what I can do is I can directly sign up or whatever I want to do with this ad. So this is totally a ad and this is called sponsored messaging, right? After this, after sponsored messaging, we do have dynamic ads, and in dynamic ads we do have three options: spotlight ad, job ad, and follower ad. So let's say you want to increase the follower, this type of ad you will see, which is known as dynamic ads. So if I show you in my account right now, LinkedIn is directly showing me their ad and asking me to create campaign, right? So this is a dynamic ad where three types of ad can appear, like the first one is spotlight, and then the job, and then the third one is uh, follower ad. So right now it is spotlight ad where LinkedIn is showing me the potential of their campaign or their LinkedIn ads platform, right? And if it changes, people can show their job ad. Let's say you are an employer and you want to offer a job to the perfect employees, so you can offer or you can advertise here, right? And even if you want to increase the follower for your account, for your personal page, you can use this option, right? Dynamic ads. So this is how, or this is what LinkedIn have for you in the ad placement options. Four options they have, right? I hope everything is cleared regarding ad placements on the LinkedIn platform. And if you still have any question, query, or any kind of confusion regarding this, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. So let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.